The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 28, verse 24.
My Lord, indeed I am, for whatever good you would send down to me, in need.
This supplication of the Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, teaches Muslims the importance of humility. This pious characteristic allows a Muslim to acknowledge with their heart, and through their actions, that every blessing they possess has been granted to them by none other than Allah, the Exalted. The Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, confirmed in this supplication that all good, in this world and the next, is granted by Allah, the Exalted. But more importantly, even though it is fact that nothing in creation occurs without the will and choice of Allah, the Exalted, which include difficulties and hardships, it is a sign of true servanthood not to attribute these things to Allah, the Exalted. Meaning, the Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, mentioned the good things Allah, the Exalted, chose for him, but did not mention the great difficulty he was in, which only occurred through the will and choice of Allah, the Exalted, as this can be seen as a type of complaint. The Holy Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, did the same thing, when he attributed good things to Allah, the Exalted, yet attributed illness to himself, even though illnesses only occur through the choice and will of Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 26, verse 80.
And when I am ill, it is He who cures me.
This attitude is important to adopt, as it makes one's mentality positive rather than negative. The one who adopts a negative mentality will only ever observe and mention their problems, instead of observing the countless blessings they still possess, which leads to impatience and further difficulties. Whereas, the one who possesses a positive mindset will only ever observe and mention the countless blessings they still possess in all situations, which leads to patience and true gratitude, which is shown by the Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, in this supplication. It is important to firmly believe that the glass is half full, not half empty.